Power. Press the power button to turn the washing machine on. Program norm. Programs are available according to the laundry type. The lamp will light up to indicate selected program. Display. The display shows the settings, estimated time remaining, options, and status messages. When the product is turned on, the default settings in the display will illuminate. Options. This program will help you to select an additional program and will light when selected. Use the buttons to select the desired program options for the selected cycle. Asterisk indicates the extra function. To start extra function, hold for 3 seconds. Temperature and spin. Press temp button to change the temperature allowed by the selected program. Press spin button to change the spin speed. Start pause button. Press the start pause button to start or pause the wash cycle. If a temporary stop during wash cycle needed, press the start pause button. AI. AI provides the desired washing and spinning. AI is activated when cotton, mixed fabric, and easy care programs are selected. Indication. Mode provides better performance by combining various drum motions. This mode allows you to wash fabrics like shirts, nightdresses, pajamas, etc. and normally sold cotton load like underwear. You can adjust the temperature from cold to 95 degrees Celsius. And can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Cotton Plus mode provides optimized washing performance for large amount of laundry. This mode allows you to wash fabrics like shirts, nightdresses, pajamas, etc. and normally sold cotton load like underwear. You can adjust the temperature from cold to 60 degrees Celsius and can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Turbo Wash 39 mode finishes the whole cycle within 39 minutes without compromising washing performance and fabric care. This mode allows various kinds of fabric except special garments. Silk delicate, sportswear, dark clothes, wool, duets curtains. You can adjust the temperature from cold to 60 degrees Celsius and can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Mixed fabric mode enables various fabrics to be washed simultaneously. This mode allows various kinds of fabric except special garments. Silk delicate, sportswear, dark clothes, wool, duets curtains. You can adjust the temperature from cold to 60 degrees Celsius and and can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Easy Care mode is suitable for casual shirts that do not need ironing after washing. This mode allows fabric like polyamide, acrylic, polyester. You can adjust the temperature from cold to 60 degrees Celsius and can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Silent wash mode provides less noise and vibration and saves money by using overnight electricity. This mode allows colored fast garments, shirts, night dresses, pajamas, etc., and lightly soiled white cotton. You can adjust the temperature from cold to 60 degrees Celsius and can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Allergy Care mode helps to remove allergens such as house mites, pollen and cat fur. This mode allows fabric like cotton, underwear, pillow covers, bed sheets, baby wear. The temperature settings for this mode is set to 60 degrees Celsius and can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Duvet mode is specially designed for large items such as bed covers, pillows, sofa covers, etc. This mode allows cotton beddings except special garments, delicates, wool, silk, etc. with filling, duvets, pillow, blankets, sofa covers with light filling. You can adjust the temperature from cold to 40 degrees Celsius and can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Speed 14 mode provides fast washing times for small loads and lightly soiled clothes. This mode allows colored laundry which is lightly soiled fast. You can adjust the temperature from 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius and can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Sportswear mode is suitable for sports wear such as jogging clothes and running wear. This mode allows fabric like cool mats, Gore-Tex, fleece and synthetics. You can adjust the temperature from cold to 40 degrees Celsius and can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Hand wool mode is especially designed for hand and machine washable wool, lingerie, dresses, etc. This mode allows wool, silk, hand washable clothes, delicate, easily damaged clothes. You can adjust the temperature from cold to 40 degrees Celsius and can select the wash speed as per your requirement. Then you can start the program. Tub Clean is a special function to clean inside of your appliance. To use this mode, please make sure that there should not be any laundry inside the appliance. Plus, there should not be any detergent inside the tray. Then you can start the program. The drain pump filter collects threads and small objects left in the laundry. Check regularly that the filter is clean to ensure smooth motion of machine. How to clean drain pump filter? First, open the lower cap. Then, take the drain pipe out and unplug the drain plug, allowing the water to flow out. Make sure you have a tray or vessel to empty the water and to prevent water flowing on the floor. Once the water gets empty from the unit, plug the drain plug and place the drain pipe to its original place. Now, open the drain filter and remove out foreign material from the pump filter. After cleaning, fix the filter back and close the lower cap.